Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to recover deleted notes in Samsung Notes. If you accidentally deleted an important note, don't worry. Samsung Notes stores deleted notes in the recycle bin for a limited period, allowing you to restore them before they are permanently removed. Let us get started. The first thing is to open the Samsung Notes app on your Samsung phone. Once the app opens, you will arrive at the All Notes screen where all of your saved notes are displayed. Tap the menu button in the upper left corner of the screen. From the navigation menu, tap Recycle Bin. The Recycle Bin screen will now open, displaying all of the notes that have been deleted but are still available for recovery. Browse through the list and locate the note you want to restore. If you only want to recover one note, tap and hold the note until it becomes selected. Once the note is selected, additional options will appear at the bottom of the screen. Tap Restore. Samsung Notes will immediately restore the selected note and remove it from the recycle bin. To verify that the note has been restored successfully, tap the menu button in the upper left corner of the screen. Return to the All Notes screen by selecting All Notes from the navigation menu. Your recovered note should now appear in its original location and can be opened and edited as usual. If you want to recover multiple notes at the same time, open the recycle bin again from the navigation menu. Press and hold one of the deleted notes until it becomes selected. Next, tap any additional notes you would like to recover. After selecting all the notes you want to restore, tap Restore at the bottom of the screen. Samsung Notes will restore all of the selected notes at once. Keep in mind that notes remain in the recycle bin for a limited time. Once they are permanently deleted from the recycle bin, they can no longer be recovered through Samsung Notes unless you have a backup or synchronization service enabled. That's it. You have successfully learned how to recover deleted notes in Samsung Notes. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video.